Hi guys, today we're going to do a really fun activity that teaches binary, the language of computers. Before we get started making our binary bracelets, we need our binary bracelet code worksheet, we need a piece of string, and we need beads in 2 colors. Parents, if you're worried about the size of these beads, you can always use bigger, chunkier beads or Fruit Loop cereal in 2 colors. Those work great also for younger kids. So what we are learning about is binary, which is the language of computers. When we speak to each other, we use the alphabet, the ABCs, to speak. Computers use ones and zeros. So if you look at this sheet, when we use the letter A, the computer uses the number 01000001. And that means the letter A. While making their bracelets, they are also learning about encoding and decoding data, a process computers are continually executing. For the younger age children, ages 3 and 4, this is a great activity for fine motor skills and for simple letter and name recognition. For early elementary age children, it is a great way to encourage practicing sight words and short phrases. When your child is done creating a bracelet, match the binary letters to the worksheet to try to figure out what your child has spelled. For the older age kids, spell secret messages to each other using the beads, and use the worksheet to decode the bracelet to find out what your messages are.